You probably haven't heard of one of the most mysterious paradoxes in history, Olbers Paradox. The paradox is named after the 19th century German astronomer Heinrich Olbers, who was stumped by an apparent impossibility. Why is the night sky dark? It may sound stupid, but the observable universe is littered with an estimated 200 billion trillion stars that are all emitting a lot of light. Even if you zoom in on the dark places in between the stars, you just find more stars, and light in space travels forever. This Wikipedia visual nicely shows what we would expect from Olbers Paradox, because even though some stars are really far away, the sheer abundance of stars would mean distant patches should be equally bright, and we have actually mathematically proven this to be the case. Now, some of the greatest minds in history have failed at explaining Olbers Paradox since the 6th century when it was first addressed. It wasn't until 1929 when Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe was actually expanding. This shocking discovery meant that light traveling from really far away over time is literally being stretched apart by the expansion of space to a point where its wavelength becomes no longer visible to us. This is called redshifting. So the solution to the paradox is the night sky is actually really bright, just not with light we can see with our naked eye.